Hey, welcome back to Uncle Al's Barbecue. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to cook us some breakfast and make us some French toast. Alright, the first thing you're going to need to do for your French toast is crack your 2 eggs in there. And put in about a third to eighth cup of milk. And then stir it all up. And this is going to be your egg wash. Now the milk is up to you and how you want to do that. And once this thing's all stirred up in here, I'll put me in a little bit of sprinkle of some of this here cinnamon. Put in a little sprinkle of that there. Just a little bit. And whisk that on around. Alright, see that egg all beat up nice and smooth? Look at that. Alright, now. Woo! I'm going to come on over here to our pan and put a dab of butter in there. Okay, she's rolling. So the pan is rolling. You see that dab of butter in there? So you would dip your bread into your egg. Alright, so there's your bread. Get your bread and just wash it in that egg. Just set it in there, set it in there, set it in there. That's it. Then you take that piece out and put it in your buttered pan. 1, 2, and 3. And that is dredged. That's all you gotta do. A light coat of it. And now you got it in the pan cooking. This is probably the easiest recipe and thing that you can make. What? He said he wanted to check it out. The easiest recipe of what you can make for breakfast. It's fast, it's simple, it's delicioso. So you see me put that in. I got the pan on the next hatch above medium. And go ahead and flip it over. Already getting a little brown in there. You seen that? Ooh, see how quick that is? It's already getting a little brown. And then I will put a little bit more butter into the pan in the middle. Oh yeah, I like butter on my French toast. I like butter on my French toast. Now, I keep my syrup at room temperature out on the counter. If you refrigerate yours, there is a little trick you can do here. Is you can pour the syrup on your French toast. Oh yeah, look at that there. Oh yeah. So that's that. Now I did that French toast flip right there. Soaking up that butter. Keeping this short and sweet today, folks. There's your French toast. Put a little butter on top. Ooh yeah, see how it's melting on there? See the steam coming off? Get you a little dab of some syrup on there. And folks, you just made French toast that fast. Let's get a little bite of this corn here. See what we think. Get a little syrup. Man. It's just like a dessert. I could eat that stuff all day long. That's it. Simple French toast. And thank you for watching Uncle Al's Barbecue. If you like this video, I am going to ask it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. That's it. Easy French toast. 1, 2, 3. Restaurant quality.